All right, it's Jay today and Gwen tomorrow, and we're back with another adventure. So, currently here, I'm at Munising Falls, which is, and this is a visitor center too, which is my understanding is 800 feet back. So we'll follow the trail, but let's follow the trail first. And of course, I got to drop off something in recycling, because that's what you do. To keep bears out of it, and also humans. So this is the waterfalls, like the visitor center. So, and it's starting to rain. So let's see what we can see. So far, liking a little trail. That's kind of cool. Almost dropped in the water. All right, there's two paths. I see some stairs there that I'm not going to be taking. Imagine that's to the upper, so you see the upper falls. Let's look. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. So lower views this way, upper views up those stairs, and as you can see, it goes right up that cliff. Look at that. But I could see the waterfall coming around this corner. So this is pretty cool. Look at that. There's people up there too. I'm just fine with seeing the bottom view. That is so cool. Oh my God, coming up to this is so awesome. This is so breathtaking. Look at that. Wow. Just take it all in. Look at the trees up there too. Look at that tree. I mean, it's just barely hanging on. Oh my God. That is so cool. Wow, I gotta bring Gwen here. Wow. And like I said, they have a path that goes all the way up around up there. However, I'm not doing any of that. And then you can go up there too. But this is perfect. This is just phenomenal. video doesn't justify. I mean, like, you actually have to be here to see that. And I'm gonna have to look up to see what it's fallen at. I'd say that's probably a good 100 feet, 80 feet maybe. That is so cool. Coming around the corner was remarkable seeing this. So, wow. I mean, just look at the rock formations too up there. And again, this is Munising Falls here in Munising, Michigan. So with that, guys, if you like this kind of content, please feel free to subscribe, like, share, follow. And with that, I'll catch you guys on the next adventures here, there, and everywhere. Talk to you later. Bye.